How to appear offline on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to easily appear offline on TikTok. So if you are using TikTok and people are constantly messaging you or sending you TikTok because they think you're online, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn it off and appear offline on your TikTok. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's jump right in. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your TikTok and make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you get to your TikTok, what you need to do is first go ahead and tap on your profile. And once you get to your profile, um, people usually know when you are online is because of the activity indicator. So what that means is if you tap on inbox, here on the inbox, right beside it, you can see a little green dot. That is indicating that I'm active right now. So what you want to do is tap on it, and here you will see the activity status. You just want to turn it off, and the green dot will go away. If it is on, your profile will be shown green like this, and if it is off, people will not know that you're online even if you are using TikTok. So that's how you appear offline on TikTok. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.